This might be the best hotel we've ever stayed at in our entire lives, and I mean that. You get greeted with a pillow spray, the service here is immaculate, the views are incredible, and you get your own friggin' pool. This place is actually insane for value. I'm shocked by how good this place is.
So, we got these wonderful orange-scented hand towels to greet us, and tea. They must have juiced 100 peaches for this. Yeah.
This is pure spring.
This is Sleep Well. It smells like lavender. You don't? This just clean scent.
After choosing our scent, it was off to see the room for the first time. After all of the airport delays, to finally see the room at night was just satisfying. Man, this place is actually huge. It doesn't look like much in the middle of the night, but I assure you, once the lights come on, this place is absolutely incredible. And the vibes outside are absolutely immaculate. Look at this. This is the outdoor dining area for one of the restaurants available here, and it's got... What does the staircase go to? I assume it's the kitchen downstairs or some sort of storage, but it's giving Squid Games vibes, and I'm all for it. This place is so gorgeous. I love the little tea lights. I love how much space there is. There's so much room for activities. There's cactus. There's friggin' cactus. And a stone's throw away, this is just the lobby area next to the first pool. Yes, there's multiple pools. And this is the check-in lobby. The Hotel Adam Krabi front end, and just a view of the outside of the hotel. It's next to the Blue Mountain Market. Now, we actually arrived quite late, so not a lot of things were open. A couple of the restaurants were open, but that was pretty much it for the first night. So it's off to bed, and let me show you what this place looks like first thing in the morning. There's nothing like waking up to a view of your own private pool and natural sunlight. First thing in the morning, we are kissed by the sun here at Hotel Adam Krabi, and the room is completely lit up with natural light, making this video a lot easier for me to show you our own private pool. Yep, this thing is in our room. This whole pool, and it's big enough to do laps. You can do laps in this thing. And the view, oh my goodness, the view from this thing. One thing that I do have to mention is we are always on the go. So internet is really important to us. So even when we're on the go, we have our laptop set up and we're always ready to work on our online presence. And I'm happy to say that the Wi-Fi here was actually tremendous. And this is the shower. This is the bathroom area. So it's an outdoor shower, and it also connects to the pool area as well. So yeah, there's 2 entrances to the pool. Inside the hotel, there's also a 24-hour fitness gym as well. It's quite small, but it has everything you need. An elliptical, running mat pad thingy, some weights. I don't know. I'm pretending like I use this thing. It's there if you need it. If a gym is important, they have a gym. And the hotel nearby, literally right next door, like I guess the sister hotel has a Japanese restaurant that's also excellent. And this is the view of the main lobby pool. So every room has its own pool, but this is like the communal pool. It's very nice. Ton of sunlights, ton of spaces to lounge. And this up here, this may be one of the nicest urinal views of all time. This is the washroom upstairs at the other pool, the upstairs pool. This is the washroom view from the friggin' bathroom here at this hotel. It's insane. Absolutely wild. But yeah, this is the other pool. It's very nice. It's very, very hot up here. The direct sunlight hits the pool, so like it's probably the hottest pool at the hotel, and also gets quite busy at night. And I can see why. The views here are immaculate. You can hear monkeys screaming in the background. It's truly something up here at the Hotel Adam Krabi pool, numero dos. They also have a little bar area, which is neat. Ton of loungers, towels available for you. It's such a clean, nice hotel, and I'm truly stunned by the beauty of this place. Everywhere you look, you get one of these little clay sculptures and just picturesque views of all of Krabi. I mean, it's truly unbeatable, guys. It's really unbeatable. And I'm shocked that there was like no bugs. I was really worried there'd be a ton of mosquitoes.
And here I was thinking that this place was beautiful at night. In the daytime, oh my goodness. This might be one of my all-time favorite spots in any hotel. This wonderful library / relax room is actually where I'm going to be editing this video. Back here, feet up.
Yeah, just a communal library space. Nice place to relax. Super quiet. Nobody goes in here, except for me. I lounged in there, edited this video. Sweet. It was absolutely sweet. This is the elevator. Yeah, it's a fast elevator.
Dyson hair dryer. Not even knockoff ones, an actual Dyson hair dryer. Hand wash, toothbrush, comb, razor, cups, more water. The water bottles are complimentary. They have a Duchess kettle. And the bathroom, I need to show you the bathroom. Look how gigantic this is. The amenities are insane. Look at the old Thai bum gun there.
And of course, the ever-present necessary safe is there for you.
Fender speaker. And this huge television. Everything that you see on this table is complimentary. So the oranges, the wonderful little sugar snacks here. They have macarons every single night. Maybe if I put you here up on this ledge, you can see actually how high these ceilings are. Gigantic.
Also, one thing that I gotta mention is how close everything is. Everything's not far away. You can walk everywhere. It's a 10-minute walk straight down to the beach. It's fantastic. There's so many restaurants available there too. You're spoiled for choice, but our favorite spot has to be the actual restaurant that's inside of this hotel. One of the best meals I've ever had in my life here. Southern Thai Cuisine. We went there every single night. No regrets. Super affordable, especially in comparison to like everything else on the island. And the food was just far, far better. Guys, having Thai cuisine in Krabi is a different level of cuisine. Southern Thai food is on a different level altogether. I mean, I love curry. But Southern Thai curry, wow, unbelievable. And Thai curry has become my favorite of the curries, thanks to this wonderful beef shank curry that we had here with bamboo shoots, green curry, and coconut milk. Wow. All right, I'm not going to go on too much about the rest of it. I'm going to put out some more videos about like the food surrounding this entire area in Krabi, maybe a Krabi vlog or two. So thanks so much for watching this video. And if you're on the fence about booking the Hotel Adam Krabi, I would say just book it. This thing is value for money. Probably one of the best hotels, if not the best hotel we've ever stayed in. Beautiful place, wonderful pool, best views, excellent food. Thank you so much for watching. For more food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe. We'll catch you all on the next one. Bye for now. And Hotel Adam Krabi, if you end up watching this video, we would love to come back sometime. Definitely would love to come back sometime. And maybe you guys give us some permission to film a little bit more. That would be great.